Hello Bangalore, this is Suman from User Umbrella. Fed up of hearing the 800 square feet, 900 square feet for a 2 BHK? That's quite not fine, right? So keep your excitement now. I'm going to show you a property located in heart of Bangalore, JP Nanagar 8th phase, Konanakunte. We have a beautiful property here. So the property is G+11 structure and has only 2 BHK units available. So starting from 1220 square feet and the largest dimension goes up to 1355 square feet. So come on, why wait? I'll show you the largest dimension of the 2 BHK, that is 1355 square feet. So let me welcome you with a wide foyer area which measures over 8 feet long and 4 feet wide. So your foyer area directly leads to your living room which measures 14 into 12 feet in dimension, which is attached to your dining area, and also you have a spacious kitchen. You can convert this kitchen into a modular kitchen, and even you can go for a semi-open kitchen. You have all the options right here. So this living cum dining area has one more speciality which leads to a huge balcony in the outside. The speciality of the balcony is it's very spacious on the primary side, and if you turn that side, you will have a beautiful view of the Konanakunte lake. Let me show you the master bedroom of the property. You might always be wondering of dull, boring, small, compact bedrooms. So you have a very huge bedroom measuring 14 into 12 in dimension, which has very good ventilation of air and even light. So you might wonder, it's almost 5:30 in the evening. You have so bright light inside your house. So coming over here, you have a huge window which gives access to the terrace garden on the next. So I'm going to show you the secondary bedroom, which measures 11 by 12 feet. For a secondary bedroom, this is a very huge space, and your secondary bedroom has much more specialties over there. So you have again a huge balcony. So this balcony, being so huge, has access for both your secondary bedroom and the living area. So you can use this space either for your workstation or as your kids' play area. So friends, why wait? Give us a call on User Umbrella. Please visit our website, subscribe and like for more properties, and give us a call as soon as possible.